Well, good morning boys and girls, friends, neighbours, enemies, haters, who cares? As you can tell, yay, Squeak's running again. I don't think I've finished completely, there's still some cosmetics, a little bit of wiring and some panels to put back on her. Fortunately I have a neighbour who's an electrician who's done some work for me during the day. Thankfully, I'm on this silly course. I've been out there at night with a torch between my teeth and it's been pretty damn cold. Some wiring from the ignition hall effect trigger burnt out. I lost the ICU, I lost the twin coil pack, all of which had to be sourced. Too expensive off the shelf. Sorry, I'm paying a bit of attention because it's sort of 1 degree, so there's little bits of ice about. Yeah, without my neighbour it'd be another week. Somebody did ask if I could possibly do a video of the repairs. To that person, no. Trying to work on a bike in the cold and the dark was hard enough, and you probably wouldn't have seen very much on the video anyway. So, but it was seat off, tank off, bits of fairing off, engine covers off, took some wiring out, the lad upstairs, ooh, grease, diesel as well, oh deep joy. So he did some rewiring, and fortunately I had the coil pack and the ICU delivered to his house because they had to be signed for, so it all helped. I'm not sure that I would have been done much before Christmas without him, so big thanks. This is the approach to Chelmsford. Everybody going to work, me going to a course, and of course bus lane, yay! At the other side of this roundabout it's bang and bash filtering, I'm afraid. So I had a birthday last Friday. Not overly exciting. Okay, we need to be awake for this next bit. Not overly exciting. Stayed at home, treated myself to some nice food. A couple of glasses of Calvados. Daughter not coming over for Christmas, so Christmas will be fairly quiet. I suspect. One of my daughters will be coming with the grandchildren on Boxing Day, so something to look forward to. I don't know, what are you doing for Christmas? Normally I've got Willow and it's fairly full on. Well, I only get her every other Christmas, so this year her mum's got her. So tell me, what are you doing for Christmas? Are you having more fun than I am? Some Calvados again, some good food and lots of videos, I suspect. That's all I can think of to say, other than squeaks back on the road, bless her. And I'm really pleased about that. I missed her. It was a week and a half of no bike, coming to Chelmsford, getting lifts, buses, blah blah, pain in the neck. You don't realise how much you miss your bike when it's your only form of transport until you haven't got it. So got service issues. I couldn't have foreseen what was happening. This is where it gets boring. I'm going to say bye bye, chaps. Thank you for all the support I got. I had an amazing amount of support, and both Squeak and I appreciate it. Makes you realise just how many nice people there are out there. Bye bye. Bye. Have fun. Enjoy. Speak to you soon.